Hello everyone, so in today's video I want to add a hosting connection to SCVMM server, and to do that we need to install the SCVMM console on all the delivery controllers in our environment, because it is only possible through that console to create hypervisor connection. So if, for example, I'm trying to edit without the console, we will get some errors. SCVMM and connection name SCVMM. Okay, let's go next. Okay, so, and it also tells you that it did not find the console on the delivery controller. Okay, let's fix that. Let's go on our delivery controller and we will install the console. It is very important that the console, it's the same version as the server. So if you do not manage the server, you need to request the exact same version that is from the server. So because I did read some articles that it doesn't like a difference between the console and the server itself. Okay, so we will install and we will just select the console. VMM console, next. I agree, next. Okay, next. Pending restart, yeah. Okay, the communication port. Okay, install. Okay. I don't want to check, I don't want to open, close, and it told us that we need a restart. Okay, let's see, this should be really fast. Okay, until this starts, let me add the other hypervisor connection. Or let's just wait. I don't want to mix up the subject of the video with other stuff. Okay, let's just wait. So the server is up. I don't know if the services will be up so fast. I need to close this anyway. And I need to wait for the services to start. I'll probably get an error here, yeah. So it's not up yet. It does take a few seconds or about a minute. Come on. I'll pause the video a little bit. Okay, so it started. Now let's go back on the hosting and let's do the same thing. So on the server, I only installed the console, nothing else. That's the name of my SCVMM server, and let's call it SCVMM. Let's go next. Okay, so no more errors. Select cluster. Okay. Use storage then hypervisor. Optimized storage, no. Okay, next. Next, finish. Okay. So I don't believe I want to do this. I've edited in a different way. Let me try it differently. So this is, in this way you can do MCS on it, but I do not want to do that. Or I can leave it like this. Let me see, I skipped a step. I don't remember which one. Let me delete and edit one more time. So SCVMM. Yeah. So I used the Citrix provisioning tools, but I do not want to do that because this will be for PVS and I will create the VMs in a different way, so I will not need Citrix or the PVS services to create the machines. Okay, so this is much better. Okay, and this will take a little bit of time until it goes into green. It's just making some verifications, but nevertheless we can already use it. Let's create a machine catalog. Multi-session, yes. Other technology, okay, and add machines. And we add all three. Browse PVS clone 01. Okay. PVS clone 02. Let me copy this. Now I have a video that in which I show you how to add the machines via an import file, but because there are only 3 and we just want to test that the hypervisor connection works, I will do them manually. Okay, so go next. Yes. Let's see. Or better said, Hyper-V. Okay. Register doesn't matter, but let's try a start. Let's see on the SCVMM. Yeah, it started. It will not work because the PVS is not configured, but it is starting. Okay, so this was it. In this way you can add on Microsoft System Center virtual machine hosting connection. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel or give video a like if you like this type of video. Thank you.